Welcome back to goldfries, and in this video we're looking at this beautiful stick of RAM. It is of a silver finish. It is the Gigabyte Designare. With me is the 64GB kit at 3200 MHz speed, 32 gigs on each stick. Price is RM 1,559 US dollars. I reckon it to be around 350. I do not have the exact price, but it's pretty much around there. So without further ado, let's have a look at what this RAM can offer you. Basically, what you saw in the intro is what it is. It's a low profile non-RGB LED memory with anodized aluminum heat spreader. The timing on this kit is 16-18-18-38 and the memory chip is of a Hynix AFR. Best of all, the kit has limited lifetime warranty. I tried overclocking it and I could run at 3466 stable with the default timing and voltage. I did try 3600, but all I could see is a Windows loading screen, so 3466 it is. Note that this memory kit is made for workstation systems, so you wouldn't be overclocking the memory unless what you're doing happens to benefit from this very slight megahertz boost. Alright, we come to the end of this video. Awesome stuff from Gigabyte. Nothing fancy, no exaggeration of RGB LED or whatever. It's just as plain as simple as it is. 32 gigs on each stick. If your system has 4 DIMM slots, you can go to 128 gigs of system RAM, 256 gigs of system RAM if you have 8 DIMM slots. Alright, so this is great stuff from Gigabyte. Go batch from me. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.